Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account. It's easy, just follow my video instructions. To disconnect Instagram account from Facebook, open your Facebook app or Facebook Lite and log into your Facebook account. And then click on Menu button at top right corner. Here you need to scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. And click on it, then Settings. Now go to Account Center. And go to Profile. Here you can see that I have two accounts in my Account Center. The first one is my Facebook account, and the second one is my Instagram. So to remove Instagram, what you are going to do is, you need to go back. And find out Accounts option, click on it. Here you can remove option. Now by clicking on this remove button you can remove or disconnect your Instagram account. One thing to keep in mind that, this will not delete your Instagram account, it will just disconnect it from Facebook. Instagram account successfully removed from Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification icon.